Practice set 37. Problem number 1. My dear student, in this problem, two quantities are given. Onions in kg and cost of the onion in rupees. We'll write the information which is given in the problem in the form of table. Onion is given in kg cost of onion in rupees. 7 kg onion cost 140 rupees. How much we have to pay for 12 kg? We have to find out, and let the cost of 12 kg onion be X. Let the cost of 12 kg onion be X. Now, my dear student, here when the quantity of onion is increased from 7 kg to 12 kg, then the price of the onion will also increase. Therefore, this is an example of direct proportion. And as it is an example of direct proportion, we can write, therefore, the division of quantities is constant. And because of that, we can write ratio and equation, which is 7 upon 140 is equal to 12 upon x. We'll have cross multiplication. 7x is equal to 12 into 140. X is equal to 12 into 140 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 20s are 140. Therefore, x is equal to 12 into 20. Two zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, cross 1 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 4 0. Therefore, x is equal to 240 rupees. Answer. The cost of 12 kg onion is 240 rupees. We will study the next problem. Problem number 2. My dear student, in this problem, again two quantities are given. One is the bunches of fodder and another is given the cost of bunches of fodder in rupees. Let's put the information in the form of table. Bunches of feet upon cost in rupees. 15 bunches of feet cost 600 rupees. Then if the cost of the bunches of fodder is 1280, find out the number of bunches of feet x. We will put this in form of a table. let 1,2,8,0 rupees by X bunches of feet. Now, my dear student, if we study the example, here the cost is increasing from 600 rupees to 1,280 rupees. One quantity is increasing, so number of feet will also increase. Therefore, this is an example of direct proportion. As this is an example of direct proportion, we can write therefore the division of quantity is constant. Now we can write ratio and equation. According to ratio and equation, we can write division of quantity is constant is equal to x upon 1,280. Cross multiplication. $600x is equal to 1,280 into 15. X is equal to 1,280 into 15 divided by 600. 0 cancel. 15 1 the 15, 15 4 the 60. X is equal to 128 divided by 4. 128 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 0, 8 will come down, 8, 4 2s are 8, 0, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 32. Answer. ₹1,280 can buy 32 bunches of feet. We'll solve the next problem. Problem number 3. Let's have the brainstorming upon the problem. Here, two quantities are given. First, cows, number of cows, and second, food supplement in kg. For 9 cows, 13 kg, 500 gram of food supplements are required every day. In the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? Let's put the information in the form of table. Number of cows and food supplement in kg. In kg. 9 cows require 13.5. I am writing 13.5 kg. Gram I have converted into kg, and here I have written food supplement in kg. So 13 kg 500 gram will be 13.5 kg. So how much kg of food supplement will be needed for 12 cow? Let it be X. Here the number of cows are increasing, therefore the kg of food supplement will also increase. So this is an example of direct proportion. Let the food supplement in kg, okay? In kg. Let the food supplement needed for 12 cows be X. This is an example of direct proportion. Therefore, we can write the division of quantities is constant. We'll write ratio and equation. The ratio and equation will be 9 upon 13.5 is equal to 12 upon x. We'll have the cross multiplication. 9x is equal to 12 into 13.5. X is equal to 12 into 13.5 divided by 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. X is equal to 13.5 into 4 divided by 3. 13.5 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 carry. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. 4, 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. After one digit there is point. So x is equal to 54 divided by 3. 54 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. Remaining 2. 4 will come down. 3 8s are 24. 0 0. So x is equal to 18. The 18 kg. The food supplement needed by 12 cows is 18 kg. We'll solve the next problem.